Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 13th to 17th July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see 0.42% negative move. 161.679 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go straight to a weekly chart and let's see what happened during a weekly momentum. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a bullish candle with a medium to small body and a big upper wick with a almost not no small or a tiny lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 92 level, which is at overbought area, which is indicating as a positive, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So yeah, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So yeah, in this weekly chart, important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 161.679 is the closing. The direct support is 161.498. Direct resistance is 161.804. After direct support, there is a support of 161.256 and then 161. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 162 and then 162.253. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY. Before that, if you don't have enough capital to trade Forex market, then I have already given link in the description of GTC FX where you can I have already given link in the description of prop firms which will help you to take any challenge that you buy from those platforms. You can buy from 5k dollar or a funded account from 5k or 2.5k dollar to 200k to 300k dollar account. So if you're interested in that, I have already given link in the description of prop firm and you can use those discount coupon codes which will help you to take maximum discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can use the link given in the description. Also, if you feel these prop firms has very strict rules, then you can also open your live funded account starting from $10 and you can fund your own Forex account. I've already given link in the description of GTC FX, which is a live broker. You can use that broker, you can use it into MT5. And if you face any issue in depositing or withdrawing your money from GTC FX, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. But remember, you need to have or you need to open your account from the link given in the description so that I can help you with the depositing or withdrawing or any other issue while you face during the in GTC FX. So now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 161.804 to 162. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, but I will only go for a positive move once 161.804 gets breached with the 4-hour or a 1-day candle closing. Then only I will go for a momentum till 162 or a target till 162. But if I don't see any confirmation candle, I will wait for a confirmation candle. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 161.499 498 gets breached. With a 4-hour or 1-day candle closing, you can go for a level or a target till 161.256. Once this gets breached with a 4-hour 1-day candle closing, you can go for 161 level as well. Remember to trail your stop loss while doing that once resistance or a support gets breach with a confirmation candle. Overall, my expectations were positive in this range for this week in USD JPY. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.